Hey guys, just a short clip because what I got is this. I got one of the new files, 2-in-1 filing guide for 3/8 chain. The C and S 8385 fits these chains and obviously any other 3/8 chain. Anyway, this is how the box looks like. The box in itself is already more narrow than the counterpart Stihl and Pferd files that you can see here. So what does the box looks like? Well, it shows the 6 options that you've got. P11 for SP11G, P21 for SP21G, 93 for the S93G, etc. 6 files. It has a nice little link to a Husqvarna website with a, well, I think it's a YouTube link actually, that will show you exactly how to use it. And I got it in a box, so let's get it out of the box, right? Let's see if we can do that with only one hand. Yeah, welcome in the messy chamber, by the way. There's like, oh well, loads of crap everywhere. Anyway. Oh yes, well here we go. Ooh, there it comes. Now I will test this file live. I'll put it on my 572 chainsaw. And away comes the box. But I don't have the time. It's dark, it's rainy. So anyway, that's the Husqvarna file compared to the Stihl Pferd 2-in-1s. And as you can see, look at those metal bars. The differences. It feels almost twice as heavy. Those bars are almost twice as thick. So that means that this file, it feels so more sturdy. This Husqvarna file is probably more stable when using it. Now here we go, side to side. Oh, that's a considerable file. I love the color coding, something that Stihl and Pferd both don't have. Blue for 3/8. And actually, focus. It'll also say what it's meant for in the blue. The other files, let me get the box. Oh my god. Anyway, look, you can see the color coding for the other files. So it's red, green, what's that, gray, orange, yellow, and blue. Anyway, I love that concept. Now let's put them on top of each other. Well, it's better to do it this way around. There. And then you can see that will tuck away a bit more handy, won't it? See, there's quite the difference. Let's put them both side to side. Same height. That metal bar Stihl uses 2 little metal bars. Husqvarna only uses 1, but it's twice as thick as these 2 metal bars. You see? 2 metal guide bars and 1 big fat metal guide bar. Gives it a more narrow profile. It feels real solid. There's also a bit of the color coding. And there as well. This is the new file. Those are my kids. Probably smashing each other's faces in the background. Anyway, I'd like to try it out on the 572 right now, but it's 2